Hello, my YouTube name is Tweets877, and on the GTC forum or the Game Creators forum, I go by Leo877. This is my video blog 2 of my program that I'm working on, and yes, this video is from the first blog. I'm just showing what I did the first time, because in this video I kind of changed some things around, like the buttons on the left side are two different colors and transparent. Same thing with the yellow button, the fire button is a little bit transparent. I managed to change a couple things, so you're gonna see on on the other videos. One thing I added, I was trying to add like a point system or scoring system whenever time you kill the tank, and then the little army dudes that come out of that tank. Another thing I figured out, and it was kind of bugging me, or normally I could only shoot 5 bullets at a time until one bullet disappeared and I could shoot another one. Well, I managed to put 10 bullets on the screen, so I'm kind of happy with that. Now in this area in this video blog 2, my game has kind of changed from last time, from the last block you have seen. As you can see right here, add something called player 1 score, background image. I think on this one the sound's different. Yes, I had a different sound. Also managed to get more than 5 bullets on the screen at one time than before. As you can see, score 6. Every time I kill somebody, it adds 2. And that's 8. Now what I was trying to do, I have two different value scores with different guys, like tanks and the little army guys. Whatever I have on there. Now that's just for my version 2. Version 2 is what I usually do, starting first, because I like to test it on the computer first. After I get it down on the computer, I go to my touch one, and this is what I test on my Android tablet. As you can see, I'm pressing on the keyboard and nothing's happening. Now when I hold left and right, then it'll change. As you can see, the window's bigger, and on this one it only says player 1, but it's supposed to be player score. You click on the fire button, it shoots. Now on Android, the way it's acting here is how it is on the Android. I wanted to be able to, as soon as you hit the button, I wanted to shoot right away. It looks like you had to hold the button down first for a good second or two before it could shoot. If I hold it down too long, it won't shoot. If I just barely tap it, it won't shoot. So I had to get a good reading in order for it to shoot. So I gotta figure what's going on there. Now, if you're from the TGC forum, then you might know somebody, a forum member named Cliff3D. Oh, I think it's Cliff DD, but I just like to call him Cliff. It's a little bit shorter. It was showing me how to do something and kind of explained it to me on how he did from his game, how to get virtual buttons. And I see that's not supposed to happen. How the tank hit the virtual button right there. It's not supposed to destroy it. And another thing, when I click the button here, it was playing sound, but now it stopped. And I could turn it. Well, as soon as the army man hits this turning thing, it would go away. So this version, there's a lot of bugs in there. I gotta figure out what's going on. But I'm gonna try to get this into my other version, into this version right here. Instead of having virtual buttons that AGK program provided, I'm gonna put my own buttons and try to figure out what's going on. So I'm thinking about making the program or these video blocks a bi-weekly, or unless I get a lot of things more progress, I will probably upload another video as soon as I get the progress done. Now let's see. One thing I want to work on is how to get more than one tank on the screen to shoot at. Yeah, that's one of my main objective goals for the next one. After that, try to work in the point system more, where the tank will equal one value, and the army man are another value. Say if I want maybe the tank worth 2 points. Okay, that's good. But army man shouldn't be, and I want him to be worth 1 point. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. And then I want to I'm gonna have to figure out, say a point limit. As soon as I reach 10 or 20, the game's gonna stop or reset. So that's another thing I'm on, another objective that I got on my list to work on. Yeah. So, and then after I get those done, I'm gonna come back and focus on creating a life bar for my character, so the tank or the army man hit it, the life will go down to start going down to 0. As soon as you hit 0, the game ends or resets. It will reset. But another thing too, before or after I get my terror guns live, I'm not gonna have the tanks and the army man floating like how they are right now. Which I'm gonna figure out. I wanted the tank to start on the outside of the border and work its way towards the terror gun. So, like, coming from here, I'm going down until it gets here. So that's a little bit more complex right now for me. I haven't got to that point. I got a couple of ideas how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna, those couple of ideas I'm gonna have to try and test run it. And so right now there's no really beta for to try it out for other people to try it. So as soon as I get more into it, then I'll make like a trial version or beta version for people on the forum to try it out.